In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rollup field in Airtable. A rollup is perfect when you want one record to summarize information for several related records, like totaling expenses per project or finding the latest due date across linked tasks. To make a rollup work, you first need a link between tables, and then you'll tell Airtable what to aggregate. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and head into the base where you want this summary to live. Make sure you're in the table that needs the final result, not the table that holds the raw details. It helps to think of this as the summary table and the other as the source table. Open the table and add a new field by clicking the plus sign at the far right of your columns. Give your field a clear name so it's obvious what it will do later, like linked tasks or linked orders. In the field type options, go to standard fields and choose link to another record. This is the crucial connection that allows a rollup to reach across tables. When prompted, choose the table that contains the records you want to summarize. If you plan to aggregate multiple related records, make sure the link allows linking to multiple records. Then click Create to add the linked record field to your table. With the link in place, it's time to set up the rollup. Add another field and select the rollup field type. First, choose the linked record field you just created as the relationship. Next, choose the specific field in the other table that you want to summarize, for example, an amount, hours, or date field. Then select the aggregation function that fits your goal. Sum adds numbers, count counts linked records, max and min find extremes, and array join can combine text into a single cell. Pick the one that best answers your question, then click Add Field to finish. You should now see your rollup populate automatically based on the links in each record. If you don't see a value, check that the record actually has linked items and that the source field contains data of the right type. You can always reopen the field configuration to switch the function, change the target field, or adjust formatting like precision for currency and decimals. That's it. You've created a reliable link between tables and turned it into a rollup that keeps your summaries up to date as data changes. Use this pattern anywhere you need quick, trustworthy totals or highlights pulled from related records.